Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I have my little sister here. Don't mind her, she just came back from school. Well, not just, but like she was at school. And don't mind me, I just got home from work. So yeah. So as you guys can see by the title, you guys know that we're gonna be trying the Asteroid Cheetos from obviously Flaming Hot. So if you guys are like 90s babies like me, you guys seen these back then, but you've seen it on the black bottle. And I know these videos have been out for a while already, people trying these out, but this is actually the first time I actually found these. So I want to try them out in camera with my little sister, because this is actually her first time trying them. She never tried the other ones because she's only, how old are you?
9.
She's only 9 years old, so obviously she did not try the other ones. So yeah. How you open these? Okay. So I've been hearing that, oh, they are smaller. So I've been hearing that they're smaller than the ones from back then, and also that they don't really taste the same. So we'll see. I'll be the judge to see if they don't taste the same, but also they don't look the same like size. These are way smaller. Agarra uno, but don't put it in your mouth yet. We're gonna put it in our mouth at the same time, okay? So this is the first time I'm trying this out from this year. This is her actual first time ever trying these Asteroids. My mouth is getting watery already, so let's try them. Ready? Set.
I have my pajamas on.
Me too. The bottom ones though. They kind of taste the same as the other ones, but then it goes away. So the taste is not really there. But overall, it's good. They are really tiny, so you have to get like a lot. You have to get like a lot in order to actually taste them.
I like that.
Like that. So
That one was on your sock.
So, for my socks. Putting me on blast and everything, shit. Overall, I give them I'll say an 8.5. So almost a 9. Because they taste kind of the same, but not really. Plus, the taste, it goes away, and it's also small. But overall, they're good. They're not bad. Also, I found these on the Chevron and Vista, so they're pretty bomb. It's funny. Yesterday I went there and they didn't have them, and then they got them today. Good thing I went today.
Oh, and the chicken right there. I already have one chick.
Oh, the pollito was born already?
Se llama bolita de plumas porque parece una pequeña bolita.
So apparently our chicken has a little baby chick already.
I name it.
She named it. So yeah, these are actually good. They're not bad. They're alright.
They're kind of the same as spicy like the ones.
Those are more spicier than these ones. These taste like the puffs, hot Cheetos. The hot Cheeto ones, the poops. That's how they taste, like the hot Cheetos. So yeah, you guys, that was us trying the Flamin' Hot Cheetos Asteroids. Her first time ever trying them. My taste test to see if they actually are the same. So yeah. And if you hear other munchies, it's Max eating his food. Max, do you want to try a hot Cheeto? No, he's eating. So yeah, you guys. Love you. Or even just gonna continue eating these for now. Yeah.
Today we did a castle in my school, and that way I went with pajamas.
I know you went with pajamas.
Max wanted to get out.
Bye bye.